What if I told you the difference between cheap and luxury isn't the price tag? It's the material dialogue. Sparkles. Most people shop for luxury. I create it. Today, we are decoding the luxe revelation, turning everyday items into breathtaking, high-end masterpieces. Let's turn your DIY into a designer statement. Welcome back to Beki Décor, your home for organic modernism and grounded elegance. I'm Beki. If you're tired of the mass-produced look and you're craving a home that feels like a soulful, expensive gallery, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're mastering creative DIY interior decor that looks undeniably luxury. We're moving beyond the basics to explore tactile opulence and designer secrets that will transform your square footage into a restorative sanctuary. Let's start the transformation. Designer secret number 1. Material Alchemy. The stone finish. Luxury begins with material honesty, which means we move away from shiny plastic finishes and toward the tactile opulence of natural stone. To turn a basic glass or ceramic vessel into a $500 designer piece, we use a mixture of acrylic paint and baking soda to create a pitted stone texture. This designer secret creates a matte, porous look that mimics limestone or travertine, providing a sophisticated warmth that grounds your room and acts as a high-end architectural anchor. Designer secret number 2. Shadow architecture. The lighting hack. To truly transform your space, you must master shadow architecture. We take affordable, battery-operated puck lights and hide them inside oversized DIY planters or behind floating art pieces to create a grazing light effect. This mimics the professional gallery lighting seen in multi-million-dollar homes, emphasizing the vertical volume of your walls and giving your DIY projects a breathtaking focal point that feels expensive and intentional rather than an afterthought. Designer secret number 3. The gilded detail. Metallic accents. The secret to high-end interior decor is in the weight and color of your metallics. We avoid bright, yellow, golds and instead use antiquing wax or liquid leaf in champagne, gold, or weathered brass. By applying these to simple hardware or the edges of a DIY frame, we create a sophisticated dialogue between the materials. This tiny change shifts the energy from crafty to bespoke artistry, ensuring your home decor ideas look curated by a professional designer. Designer secret number 4. Soft architecture, custom linen textures. We can't have luxury without textural softness, so we use soft architecture to elevate basic textiles. By soaking affordable cotton or linen curtains in a weak tea bath, we achieve a bespoke ecru shade that looks like expensive, unbleached European flax. This adds a layer of restorative luxury to your windows, diffusing the light in a way that feels soft and soulful, turning a standard room into a high-end, nature-inspired sanctuary. Designer secret number 5. Curated composition, the rule of scale. Finally, we master curated composition by focusing on the golden ratio of styling. Instead of a dozen small knickknacks, we use one large-scale DIY sculpture to create a sophisticated focal point. If your table is W inches wide, your central, luxe, object should be roughly 1/3 of W2. Ensure the scaling and proportion feels intentional. This is the ultimate practical tip to ensure your DIY efforts look like professional interior home decor rather than a cluttered hobby space. As you step back and look at the masterpieces you've created today, remember that your worth isn't tied to what you spend, but to the beauty you're brave enough to build. Your home is a living story, and you are its most important author. Thank you for spending this time with me at Beki Décor. Seeing you reclaim your space with such soul is why I do this. If you're ready for your next luxe transformation, please subscribe and let me know in the comments. Which of these luxury hacks are you trying first? I'll see you in the next one. Stay inspired and stay grounded.